In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram follower count frozen. So first thing you need to do is, it could be a glitch within Instagram. So simply by leaving Instagram, removing it from background, going back in, this could fix your issue. But if that wasn't the case and that didn't fix your issue, then it could be because of a software update. So if you go back from Instagram, go out of Instagram and go to Play Store and search for Instagram here and check if it needs updating. It could be because of a glitch, so make sure you update Instagram and this could fix your issue. But if this still hasn't fixed your issue and you're still seeing the same issue, then you might simply want to report this, because Instagram support will help you fix it. So go to your profile, click at the top right, go all the way down, click on help, click report a problem, and then report without shaking, and include and continue. And here you will simply report this problem, put in some brief explanation, include screenshots or images, and simply report this problem, and Instagram will help you fix this issue. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.